In this question, you have to identify the flagellated cells that lines the spongocele in case of poriferans. Option A, oscula. It is incorrect because oscula refers to the large opening through which water exits the spongocele. Option B, guanocytes. Now, guanocytes or collar cells are flagellated cells that line the spongocele. Their flagella create water currents and their collars trap and filter food particles from the water. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, mesenchymal cell. It is incorrect because these cells are involved in various functions such as reproduction, then secretion of skeletal elements, but they do not line the spongocele cavity. Option D, ostia. It is also incorrect because ostia are small pores through which water enters the body of sponge.